The 2025 Corolla Cross pickup truck features a striking exterior design that seamlessly blends the sleek lines of a modern crossover with the rugged aesthetic of a pickup truck. The distinctive front grille, strong wheel arches and robust profile give the vehicle a dynamic and confident presence on the road. LED headlights and taillights improve visibility and contribute to the overall modern look. Additionally, an available off-road package provides additional features for those seeking adventure beyond city limits. Step inside and you'll find a thoughtful interior design with an emphasis on comfort, practicality, and the latest technology. The spacious cabin comfortably accommodates his 5 passengers, with plenty of legroom and supportive seats. High-quality materials such as soft-touch surfaces and optional leather upholstery emphasize the overall elegant impression. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen display that seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for improved connectivity. Intuitive controls, a wireless charging pad, and an impressive sound system further enhance the modern driving experience, ensuring every journey is enjoyable and comfortable. Under the hood of the 2025 Corolla Cross pickup truck, you'll find plenty of efficient and powerful engine options. Whether traveling on city roads or heading off-road, drivers can expect smooth and responsive performance. The focus is on fuel efficiency. Advanced hybrid technology is available for those looking to minimize their environmental footprint without sacrificing performance.